Students, in this video I explain you rational numbers in which I cover unit A, page number 7 and page number 8. Okay. Let's do the quick revision. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These all are the natural numbers. What are whole numbers? If we write down 0 with the natural numbers, we can say these all are the whole numbers. And what are integers? We have two types of integers, negative integers and positive integers. So how can we write? If we write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, whole numbers, and here I am writing -1, -2, -3. So we can say these all are the integers. See this, these are the natural numbers. If we write down this one with it, so we can say it is these are the whole numbers. And if we write down these numbers, so we can say these all are the integers. Right? And what are rational numbers? The numbers which can be represented in the form of P upon Q, where Q does not equivalent to 0. So we can say these are the rational numbers. Means 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 6 upon 7. These all are the rational number. We can write 3 upon 1 also. So this is also a rational number. So let's continue the topic. First question is, write the numerator and denominator for the following rational numbers. The first question is A is equal to -3 upon 7. This is a question given to us. So how do we write? Numerator is, just see the numerator. Which one is numerator? Here we have a rational numbers. We can write like this. The question is, write the numerator and denominator for the following rational numbers. The first question is -3 upon 7. So we find out which one is numerator and which one is denominator. Here just see the numerator. Numerator is the upper part of the fraction. So we can write -3 is a numerator and this one is a denominator is the lower part of the fraction. So we can write 7. Means numerator, and we can write numerator and denominator like this. N is the upper part, numerator is the upper part and denominator is the lower part of the fraction. Now see this one, -73 upon 100. So N is upper part means -73 and denominator is 100. 100. Is it okay? If suppose minus sign is there in front of 100, then what do we write? The denominator will be -100. Same way, in another example, if we have a question that is -4, here we have to write numerator and denominator both. Then how do we write? First we write down like this. We can write 1 in the denominator. Yes. So the numerator is -4 and the denominator will be 1. The next question is, state whether the given rational numbers are positive or negative. The question is -12 upon -17. Then how do we calculate the number is negative rational number or a positive rational number? If a positive rational number is a rational number having numerator and denominator both have same sign, like plus plus, or we can say like this. And a negative rational number will have either of a numerator or denominator negative and the other one positive. You can say or Okay. So what is the next? So what is the, so in this example, which one is minus 12 upon minus 17? This one is a positive or negative? Yes, this one is a positive integer, positive rational number. And here only one sign is here, so it means it is a negative rational number. The next question is express the following with the positive denominator. So it means we have to convert its denominator to a positive number. So how do we convert? Just have a look here. The question is 7 upon minus 9. It means this time denominator is negative. So how do we convert its denominator to a positive denominator? We multiply, we write down. If we multiply it by minus 1 upon minus 1, we can multiply them because we are multiplying minus 1 and minus 1. Both are the same number with same sign, so we can multiply. So we can multiply them, and here nothing is there. It means it is a positive number. Now we follow the same rule: plus minus, minus, minus plus, minus, plus plus, plus, and minus minus, plus, as you know. So plus minus, here we plus minus, minus, and 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Minus minus, just look at here, minus minus, plus, so we write down plus. 9 into 1, 9. So just see here, this time denominator is positives. So in this way we can convert our denominator. Now then another question, I am giving you one more example, that is minus 3 upon minus 7. Same way we are doing here, because denominator is negative but we want to convert it into a positive number. So we multiply by minus 1 and minus 1. Minus minus, again plus, so 3 into 1 3, and minus minus, plus 7 into 1 7. So see the answer. We converted negative denominator to a positive denominator. Let's take another example. That is, the question is express each of the following with a negative denominator. Now I am taking a number minus 3 upon 7. Now this time we have to convert its positive denominator to a negative denominator. Then how do we convert? So we multiply it by same way, minus 1 upon minus 1. Now minus minus, plus, so it is 3, and plus minus, minus. So in this way we can convert our positive denominator to a negative denominator by multiplying it by minus 1 upon minus 1. The meaning is that if you want to change a sign of any of the number, sign of minus 11, I want to convert this to a positive number, then what we do here? Then same thing we apply here. We multiply it minus 1 upon minus 1. So this will change the sign, minus minus plus, 11 into 1 11, and this become again 13. So in this way we converted sign. Is it okay everyone? If you want to change the sign of any of the rational number, you multiply it by minus 1 upon minus 1. Next question is express minus 3 upon 5 as a rational number with required numerator 15. So we have to convert its numerator to 15. The question is minus 3 upon 5. First thing you check, the numerator is positive or negative. Just see here, this one is a negative numerator and we want to convert it to a positive numerator. So first we change its sign. So minus 3 upon 5 multiply minus 1 upon minus 1, then minus minus plus, so this becomes 3 upon 5 into 1 minus 5. Now we convert 3 to 15. So how do we convert 3 to 15? So by which number we multiply this number so that it becomes 15? 3, just see, divide 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. So we multiply, if we multiply it by 5 upon 5, we can multiply 5 upon 5. So this becomes 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15 and 5 into 5, 25. So the numerator converted into 15. Yes? For example, this time we have to convert minus 3 upon 5 to, we have to convert numerator of minus 3 upon 5 to minus 21. Minus 3 upon 5 to minus 21. It means we need a negative numerator. So here we have a negative numerator, so there is no need to multiply by minus 1 upon minus 1. We directly multiply by a required number. Minus 3. So by which number we multiply 3 so that it becomes 21? 3 into 7, 21. So we multiply it by 7 upon 7. So minus 3 into 7 minus 21 upon 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So this is the solution. Right? Next question is express minus 5 upon 9 as a rational number with required denominator 18. Yes, this time we have to convert its denominator. Just see here, the question is minus 5 upon 9 and we have to convert this 9 to 18. Means there is no need to change the sign because it is a positive denominator and here we want a positive denominator. There is no need to multiply minus 1 upon minus 1. So by which number we multiply minus 5 upon 9 so that so the denominator become 18. You see 9, by which number we multiply 9 so that it become 18. Yes, by which number? 2. 9 2s are 18. So minus 5 into 2 is equal to minus 10 and 9 into 2 become 18. Okay. Okay, I'm taking one more example. Suppose I want to convert this one into minus 54. Then how do we convert minus 5 upon 9? So by which number we multiply? Just see here, it is a positive denominator and it is a negative number. So by which number we multiply? First we convert this to a negative denominator. Minus minus plus and this becomes minus 9. Now by which number we multiply 9 so that it become 5 upon minus 9. So by which number we multiply minus 9 so that so the denominator become minus 54. We multiply 9 into 6, 54. So that we multiply it by 6 upon 6. 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30 and 9 and 6, 9 6 are 54. So in this way you can convert all the rational number and hope you understand this one. Thank you class.